Phonemic Awareness Exercises, identifying the A sound. In which of these words can you hear the A sound? Ham, pad, apple, octopus. Ham, pad, apple, octopus. You can hear the A sound in ham, pad, and apple. In which of these words can you hear the A sound? Igloo, bat, ant, bee. Igloo, bat, ant, bee. You can hear the A sound in bat and ant. In which of these words can you hear the A sound? Alligator, dog, fish. Ask, alligator, dog, fish. Ask. You can hear the A sound in alligator and ask. Thanks for watching.
If you like this type of content and are looking for resources and information to teach your child to read, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You will be notified when we publish new videos.